All right, we are back. I got a target up here. I'm close to the water's edge here on this side hill, and right up here it sounds like trash, but let's find it and see. Yeah, it's banging pretty hard. It's right here. It's like right in here. I gotta bring my detector up here. It's really hard to film right here. It's hard to hold on to the camera. Maybe I can put this up here. Sorry about that, y'all. That's well, that works. All right. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. All right. Man. It's probably trash. I mean, I don't know if there's any gold up here. You never know. Oh, it's about time for lunch. It's like right in here. What's this? Nothing. Probably a bottle cap again or something. I don't know. Not really seeing anything right off. Let's scrape this over. Let's see. Oh, found it. Whoa, what is that? Oh, it's a. Well, that's kind of cool. It's a whole fishing lure. Oh, cool. Man, I'm finding some cool stuff. Look at that. It's got the fishing line on it. Right on. I thought it was a nugget first. I seen that shiny. Then the way it was shaped, it was like, nah, I don't think so. Yeah, pretty cool little lure. Yep, it's banging. All right, everybody. There's that. Well, we give it a good shot. I think it's time to break for lunch. We might just go out and get some Mexican food. So, man, what a day. Look at that view. Wow. Very cool. Right on. Digging Dan. Sweet. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a like, give it a share, and get subscribed. Yeah. Look at that pretty cool looking feather right there. Look at that. That's awesome. Right on. You always leave feathers where they're at. So I've been told by the elders. You leave a feather, especially if it's an eagle feather or a hawk feather. Well, check this out over here. Let's see if I don't fall into the river here. It's pretty, looks like a piece of, like a paper or something stuck. I ain't gonna go over there though. It's pretty steep here. And the water's right there. I'm right here. But yeah, look at all this mineralization right here. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Whoa, oh, I'm falling. Look at this. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Anyways. All right, everybody. I gotta get back over here before I fall in the water. It's awful steep right here. Last target of the day, I think. We're gonna probably pack up here a little bit. I'm gonna sit and enjoy this view for a while and get some sun. It's been fun. So, yeah, let me get you guys turned around here. All right, everybody. All right, we're pretty much gonna wrap it up for the day, I think. It's probably like 1:30 or something. Just gonna go kick back over here for a while and just chill, enjoy the scenery, enjoy the view, and the sun. So, all right, everybody, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. That one little piece of it almost looks like leaf gold to me. It's pretty cool looking. So, all right, y'all get subscribed too if you aren't already. You get notified of future content, and yeah, really appreciate it. It helps out the channel, and it helps me bring these videos to you guys. So really appreciate it. So yeah, beautiful day on the river. Appreciate you all for tuning in. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one. TNTMP, peace. Hey everybody, TNT back again. Yeah, I got back from the river a little bit ago. It was a good day. Dan and I went out and had a good time. Did some detecting, a little panning. Found quite a few targets detecting. It's pretty cool. One really exciting signal that we got, and it actually didn't pan out to what I thought it would be. So let me get you guys turned around here and I'll show you what's going on. All right. Well, there it is. Yep. Those are all the targets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yeah, I found a treble hook. Couple Corona caps, and some fishing weights here, here, and here. This is that pellet, BB pit pellet, right there. And this one I was really interested in. I brought it home and soaked it in Pepsi, clean it up. I thought it might be some gold, some leaf gold maybe. But it turns out that it's probably just some type of golden foil paper. It doesn't weigh up. It's like, I mean, leaf gold, I mean, it's really super thin, but the size of this right here would weigh something. It doesn't even register on the scale, so that's a bummer. Had me going there for a while. It's just some type of foil paper. I looked at it with the loop too, and yeah, it's it looks more like paper. It's not gold, so. And it was floating a little bit. You know, gold doesn't float if it's this big. So yeah, but it was a good day all in all. It was fun. Good time. Sun came out, as you saw. Yeah, good time on the river. Well needed. So yeah, got me some weights and some fishing gear. This is kind of corroded. It's a 5/8 type spinner blade. Yeah, there you go. So all right, let me get you guys turned around here. So yeah, all in all, it was a good day on the river. Had a great time. It's good getting out. All right, everybody, I want to thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you all. I'd like to give some shout outs to some new subs. So yeah, I'd like to thank Jake's Prospecting for subscribing. Thank you, bro. And then EE Detectorists. Thank you for subbing. Biggest Key of Gold Prospecting. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, he's from down under. And Golden Dirt. Thank you very much. The Lone Gold Miner. Thanks, man. Appreciate you for subscribing. And then Nathan there over at 5280 Prospecting. Thanks, bro. Appreciate you subscribing. And then a big shout out to Uvia. Yeah, Uvia, this one's for you. Big shout out to you. I appreciate you watching my videos. And I haven't forgot about you. I got some t-shirts on order. And yeah, I got a few other things I'm going to put together for you so you can have some fun panning out some gold. So, all right, Uvia, thanks again. And all right, everybody, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Give it a share too. Leave me a comment. I love those comments. I love responding to you guys. And get subscribed if you're not already. It really helps the channel out. It keeps these videos coming to you, and I really enjoy doing it. So, all right. Thanks again, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Stay safe, and we'll all catch you on the next one. All right. Later.